train here, so yeah. After you guys all this bush, it's anyways, that's it on today's YouTube short. Bye guys. Hope you like this video. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna have other YouTube shorts on this train. I'm gonna upload a video on this. Okay, and if I don't, something went wrong. Okay, if I don't upload the video, not this one, a video, on my videos page, then it's fine because maybe something went wrong. Anyways, I'll try to post a video on that, okay? And that's it, today's YouTube short. Bye guys.